All right, let's look at the homework 1.6, problem number 5. Let's solve these inequalities. All right, so part A. Right, first, before we get started, since you have a natural log there, x cannot be negative or 0, so x has to be positive. So one thing you have to know is that x has to be a positive number, because natural log is not defined for negative or 0. Alright, then after that, we want to isolate x, just like solving equality. So we're gonna raise e to both sides. So you have e to the natural log of x, and is less than e to the 0, right? Since exponential function is an increasing function, if you apply exponential function to both sides of the equation, the direction of the inequality stays the same, right? So, and you have an e and the natural log, so they are inverses of each other, so they cancel out. And natural e to the 0, it would be just 1, right? So you have x has to be strictly less than 1, right? But combined with the domain, which is x has to be positive, we know that the answer is going to be from 0, not included 0, so we have a parenthesis, and then 1. Right? How about the bottom one? Let's put that in before I forget. So here, it'll be 0 to 1. Right? So let's look at the part B. Right, same kind of deal. In this case, exponential function is defined for all x values, so the domain doesn't give you any restriction. But in order to get rid of e, we can take the natural log of both sides. So you have a natural log of e to the x is greater than natural log of 4, right? Then natural log and exponential functions are inverses of each other, so they basically cancel out. So you get that x is greater than a natural log of 4. So it's gonna start from natural log of 4 and everything above. So you have up to infinity, right? So let's type that in. All right, so you have a natural log of 4. Let's see, we have too many parentheses, to infinity. So go to symbol now. Right, so let's check the answer, submit for testing. All right, it came back and looks like we got these guys correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.